Dito na tayo. Mag-drawing tayo. Dito nyo guys. Ito pala yung gamit. Dito nyo may mga gamit. Ito nyo makita. Ito pala notebook ko. Yung gawin mo lang. Gawin ko sa dawa. Ito. Sa video. Ito naman. Ako nag-draw. Parang ko to. So, ito lang. Wow, nakikita ko maganda to. Kasi kahapon ko. Ito pala yung harap.
Ano yung number ng isang yung Roblox?
8. Yun lang is
8?
08.
Yung Roblox?
Oo.
08. Ah, sige.
So guys, ilagay ko lang dito. Ilagay ko dito. Tapos papakita. Guys, kung nakakita kayo mag-like and subscribe, mag-share at
Are you waiting for me?
comment.
I'm here
Like
to
and
take the cute
subscribe,
girl out.
share and
I'm
comment.
the
Guys,
cute girl.
ay, mali. Guys, drawing na tayo.
Where do you want to go?
Follow me.
Are we going to watch a movie?
Drawing tayo. Papakita
No,
ko mag...
just for a minute. Maybe please.
Ay, mag-drawing na tayo.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I can't believe I forgot about you.
It's okay, because now you remember.
It's okay.
How can I make it up to you? I've just made peace
Hindi
with
ka
my reality.
nag-drawing ako.
You just have to accept the situation. I can't just quit.
Love me more.
Of course.
Nag-record ka pa yan. Oo. Kami na. 9, 2, 4, 5.
She thinks she's the prettiest. It's so funny.
Kiki, like that guy.
Yeah, but the funny thing is he always ignores her.